Hey friends, it's Akadiris. Now I'm sure you all know wikiHow, that wonderful website that shows you everything that you need to know about life, with life-changing tutorials such as this one, this one, this one, and this one. So here we are again following one of these lovely written tutorials. And given the theme of this channel, I think that by typing an anime or otaku into the search bar would have some very interesting results. And the one that I've chosen for this episode of According to wikiHow is 3 ways to act like an anime or manga character. And I'll be portraying 2 different anime fans that I think we all can relate to, along with the help of my friend CDogVA, who will be the lovely narrator for this video. Anyways, enjoy!
Decide on a basic personality. Don't worry, anime and manga characters are not much different from real people. Don't know what sort of personality to choose? Try picking one opposite to your own for a fun, added challenge. Now kids, what character would you like to be?
I'm gonna be Naruto! Pico!
Read up on your character online. The internet is full of information on anime and manga. Try to find the anime or manga's official site and read up on your character. Mimic your character's way of speaking. If you're not one for accents, never fear, this doesn't mean you have to mimic their voice, although you can certainly try.
I understand. If being smarter means what you say it does, I'll remain a fool my entire life. I'll create some incredible jutsu. And I'll rescue Sasuke no matter what!
Fuck Sasuke!
Check your posture and body language. Acting is more than just talking and mimicking facial expressions. It's a full embodying the way the character holds themselves, down to the tips of their fingers.
Joey, can you help me record something?
Okay.
Blazing on the track, boy.
Exaggerate on your emotions. If you're even a novice anime or manga fan, you've probably noticed that many of your characters' reactions are pretty extreme. Take your desired character's basic traits and exaggerate them. Now, kids, demonstrate your characters to the best of your ability.
I'm gonna be the next Hokage! I'm gonna be fucked up the butt!
Good job! Have a trademark quote. Similar to habits and gestures, having a quote that you say often can help bring out the anime or manga vibes. Think of Naruto, whose catchphrase is, "Believe it." Other words and phrases include things like "fe," "me," and "baka," idiot. If you have a favorite anime or manga character, you can use some of their most common phrases as inspiration, or make up your own.
I'm gonna be the greatest Pokemon trainer ever! Believe it! Sasuke! Believe it! Sasuke! Believe it! Sasuke! Believe it! Believe it! Date bayo! Mokken. Iku.
Consider having a prop that the character is famous for. Is the character known for having a certain object with them? If so, consider carrying a similar object with you. Be yourself. Don't get too caught up in the role-playing and forget to be who you are. Remember, your friends choose you for who you are, and not the anime or manga character you are portraying.